Chairman Kemikliya Congress Manifesto Drafting Committee Dr. Celestine Dingdo Celestine Lingdo ula pentip bakamat rekam jong ka seng kalong pan kmi bnya ahlor kumno bat kentiu yak jingyo lum khajana jong kajala ula balada ka seng kawan hagabor kan sakmi ba kan don kajing laj ha kajing lum khajana haba yadai bat kene kam jong kai ula ba kan train ka bentar kajing mento jong kitra jela bat kan kmi ru halor kajing bom yo kam yo jam bat kimat biadai bat kilong kmi.
We have decided that the moment the Congress comes to power, all leakages when it comes to revenue will be plugged. Then the next one that we concentrate is the unemployment. So when we talk of unemployment, the youths are the main target group that we plan to help.